Monzo online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to actually figure out how we can use the Monzo online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Online banking means you can use it from web. Mobile banking means you can use it from the mobile app. And banking simply means that if you have a Monzo bank account, you want to send that money from a mobile or digitally without going to the bank itself. So for this, we can just go to monzo.com, or you can use the Monzo app itself. So if you go to monzo.com, here you can see the option called open a Monzo account. If you haven't already signed up for online banking, or maybe you don't have a Monzo account itself, you can go ahead and tap on open a Monzo account, and then just make sure to select the details as to other instructions as to how you can go ahead and then create an account on the Monzo app itself. Now if you haven't done that, or if you already have an account, you can go to the menu section here. You can select personal or business, and you can switch to any of the other options that you prefer, and then from there onwards you should be able to go ahead and then sign up for online banking. Now what you can also do is, here you can see I'm new to Monzo. If you haven't yet signed up, you can enter your email address and sign up. If you want to actually log into your existing account, you can tap the I already have an account option, enter your email address, and then just tap the next option to finish signing up for your online banking account. But to give you a basic idea, this is how online banking works. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.